Alright, here we have a couple of air conditioners no, actually several of these air conditioners right here. Here's the American Standard Gold Series unit. It's really nice. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's very strange because they used to use Alliance these days. That's faded. This one right here is a little... Oh! As soon as it started up. It's a Weather King. It's from 2007. 2-ton. It's some kind of... Here's a Janitrol. It's from 1998. That's a 1.5 ton. There's a Carrier 30 CKC unit right there. It actually looks really nice. Pretty interesting. It's got, oh, this one has a Tecumseh recip. That's really nice. I would love to get this running with that. 2002, oh, that's a 38C MC. Never heard of that. It's a 2-ton. That's a good one. It's a Ream. Looks kind of, it's got a recip in there. Don't know if it's a Ream or not. This one's from 2007. That's a 1.5 ton. There's a Train XB1000. $2013 2-ton. And then this one, 2006. I'm not sure what tonnage. They're last of the Reams, so I'm not gonna get to them. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.